Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture, save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, then select the text edit by writing, and then select the size, adjust the size, select the font, adjust the font, select the stroke, enable button down, adjust the color, stroke width, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color, and then select the texture option, go to the gallery, select another picture, adjust the picture. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.